Hello friends, I am Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on MS Excel. So friends, in this video we'll see how to print any file properly in MS Excel. So let's get started. So friends, here we have a table, we want to print this. So let us first go and select the by default method for printing tables in MS Excel. We'll just press Ctrl plus P. And then you can see here we can select any default PDF reader like Foxy PDF or by the default Microsoft Print to PDF. If you are printing, you can use your default printer also like Canon, HP, whatever. So we'll go with Microsoft Print to PDF, and here in the settings option it is given print active sheets, which is by default option of MS Excel. And the paper size, I want to print it in an A4 size paper, so I've selected A4 and the orientation is portrait. So if we print this, we can see that the left side and the right side have unequal distances. So it is definitely not the proper method of printing it. So what we can do is, we can just select this table like this and then press Ctrl plus P, and in here you can just change this option to print selection. So after that you can see that from the left side the spacing has been adjusted as per my margins, which is the normal margin of 1.78 centimeters. So the advantage of using this method is that if I have additional number of columns along my right side, we can accommodate that. So let us go back and just go to our sheet 2. We have another table here. Once again we'll just press Ctrl plus P. We'll do here print active sheets. As you can see here, one column has been missed. So if we use our method which we mentioned earlier, that is, we can select this table and then press Ctrl plus P, print selection. So we can see that we can accommodate all the columns in a single sheet by using this method. So let us go back and go to sheet number 3. Now we want to print this. Again I'll select this as per our discussed method. I'll just press Ctrl P and then go for print selection, portrait orientation. Now we can see that some columns are missing. So one thing I can do is, I'll change this to A4. The next thing I can do is, I can decrease the margins here from normal to any narrow margins. If I want, I'll just select narrow margins. The margins have been narrow, one additional column have been accommodated. But then also the entire columns are not coming. So I can just go and change the paper orientation to landscape. Now you can see that all the columns are coming. So I can go back to our margins and change it to normal. So we can print this file comfortably using the landscape orientation. Now we can simply go to and click on print. So after that it will ask me to give a file name for that. I can simply save it and the file will be printed. We can go to our desktop and view the file. So here is the file which we have printed. So it has been converted into PDF successfully. So friends, in this video we have learned how to print properly in MS Excel, how to use the paper size option, how to use the portrait or landscape orientation, and how to use the print only selected area option. So we really hope that this video was useful to you. If yes, please do hit the like button and also share with your friends. See you in the next video. Keep watching our channel. Bye.